Kasi matagal na ako naghahanap ng bag na EDG capture. Ito yung ano nito. Hello everyone, welcome back na naman po sa panibagong vlog ng aming channel. For today's vlog, we will be being another unboxing. Ang unboxing na to is related to sling bag. Kasi matagal na ako naghahanap ng bag na kayang dalhin yung maraming camera paggawa ng content. Before, I have this bag, EG Ytech sling bag. Ang ayaw ko lang dito is whenever wala na laman yung main bag ko at saka may laman pa to, nag-ano siya, buwabaliktad, nagaganyan siya dahil sa bigat. And then, limited lang yung mailalagay mo sa bag na to. So, I was trying to search for a bag na marami kang mailalagay. Kasi usually, I carry with me 2 cameras, tapos 2 lens, and some stuff. Usually, ang ginadala ko is itong one mo knapsack or backpack. But, ang problema dito is mabigat din masyado. Ganap talaga ako ng sling bag na maganda. Yan. See? Marami siyang mga divider. Now, our order has arrived. This is a OneGo Solo version 2. 10 liters yung kinuha ko. So, let's unbox this thing. So, well packed siya. Tapos, dito may label. In-order ko lang to sa Shopee. Ang kagandahan naman nito ng bag na to is hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, if you're looking for a bag, na pasok sa budget, then I strongly recommend this bag. So dalawa, hindi ko alam kung ano pa itong isa na to. So before buying this bag, of course, nag-search muna ako kung ito nga ba yung kailangan kong bag. There you go. Oh, ganda. Okay. So this is it. Okay, so this is the OneGo Solo version 2. Unboxing lang to. Sa ngayon hindi ko masasabi kung 100% akong kumbaga satisfied sa bag na to. But definitely it will be useful for my part kasi gusto ko talagang makakuha ng sling bag na malaki during my travel. So this is the EG Ytech. So there's a name of the brand. Yung kanyang sling have a padded to avoid yung masakit sa shoulder nyo. Kasi if there's no padding, syempre of course in the long run, it will hurt your shoulders. There's a name for it, the OneGo Solo version 2. Yeah. Usually kinikip ko to, ewan ko ba bakit. I like this one. I like to keep this one as a remembrance. You see this one? So yung ano niya, tag. Yeah. So may mga QR code if you could see. So maybe later on I can use this one. So may mga instructions din. Let's see the bag itself. So ang kaganda nito is may ano pa, may handle siya. Comparing to so yung size, let's see yung size lang. Yung size, 10 liters, I'm not sure kung anong ilang yung capacity nito. Malaki talaga yung difference. Tapos yung design maganda. See? Okay. So maybe you can put your wallet on the first, or iPad or phone or something kasi flat lang siya. Meron siya ditong clip. Hindi ko pwedeng lagyan ng iipit mo dito yung tripod mo. Ito sa mga nagustuhan ko. Kasi whenever I travel, I usually bring tripod with me. So definitely it's useful for me. Okay. Then the third muna tayo. Okay, so it's maliit lang. na lagayan. Yung third, I think a bigger iPad or kung ano man yung gusto mo, a notebook or a small laptop, so pwede. Okay, let's see. Wow, ganda. Ganda ng loob. So there's a PGYTech again, and ito pang ano sa moist. So ito yung loob. So I hope na kita sa camera ko. So wow, ganda. There's the sign 10 liters, and may okay. So here you go. Meron nga siyang kasamang mga tong strap. Yan. Not 100% sure, pero tingin ko ito na yun. Tingin ko, hindi ko lang sure kung paano to ikabit. Pero pag-isipan natin, this is just unboxing, so hindi ko pa alam kung paano to i-install. Kasi wala pa akong nakikita instruction. This is what ano sa loob. 1, 2, 3. So may tatlong divider. Okay, yan, natatanggal na. Ito, natatanggal to. So actually mayroong ibang kulay nito. I think it's green. Tapos pwede mo siyang makuha as bundle kasama yung backpack. Probably I will be using this one when we go to Taipei. So basically what will I bring sa travel ko sa Taipei is may 70 to 200. Siya yung 70 to 200 ko. Tapos yung Viltrox na 85 ko, pwede rin. Pasok. Okay. Pwede. Tapos maganda yung, alam ko ano to polymer. It's a rainproof. Kung umulan, di papasukan ng tubig. First, to protect your camera. Base sa website ng PGYTech. So this is a laptop sleeve here at the back. So pang laptop talaga to. Then ito yun So yan, nagkaroon ng may magnet to. Itong orange na to. This color here, the orange. Then meron siyang main compartment. So tatlo. Tapos meron pa siyang ito yung mga button, magnetic. Ito may magnet yung bag. So isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Kaso lang, problema is dalawa lang yung indicator. So when the battery is full, it's green. When the battery is empty, it's red. So if it's empty, you put red. If it's full, you put green. Yan, hope nakikita nyo. Yan, top down dito. Yan. Ito yung sa battery. Mga filter and mouse pocket. Mga maliit na MacBook, pwede nyo dito. Tapos pwedeng mouse. Definitely magugustuhan ko to. But I will feedback to you kung later on, after I've used this, kung makakaramdam ako ng sakit dito sa balikat. Kasi itong OneMo version 1 na backpack ko, nakakaramdam ako ng sakit dito, especially sa right. But this one is a padded sling bag. Then I think it will protect my shoulder. So that's it for the One Go Solo version to. 10 liters. But i-feedback ko na lang sa inyo, ano nga ba yung pakiramdam when carrying this bag in an actual shoot or day as a solo content creator. I'm just a solo content creator who just want to share my gears to you guys. Okay, so hope you like this video. Thank you again, and see you on my next vlog. Okay, bye-bye.